In today's video I'm going to show you how to find the best ohpolly discount codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for ohpolly discount codes. Right here you'll have to go to this website, which is called couponfollow.com, and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list with different type of promo codes that we can use to get some discount. For example, if you want to get this 10% discount right here, simply tap on the offer and you'll see this promo code. You can tap right here to copy the promo code and you can apply it in order to get a discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called voucher codes, and right here you also have a list with different type of promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. For example, let's say you want to get this one right here with 10% discount of first order. Simply select the get deal option, and right here there is no code required. You can simply select the button to continue to ohpolly and you'll be redirected to the website and the discount will be applied automatically. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.